Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing some fun flower nail art. As my name probably suggests, I'm not that good at nail art, but always fun to try. I start off by putting Essie's Check Your Baggage on 3 of my nails, and then putting Sally Hansen's Set in Stone on 2. After that dries, I take a bobby pin, yes, a bobby pin, because I had a dotting tool, but I lost it, and I'm not going to buy a new one because I know that that dotting tool is inside my house, and I'm going to find it. So until then, I used a bobby pin. Then taking the color Wild White Ways by Essence, I made 5 white dots. And then I went back in with the Essie Check Your Baggage and made a yellow dot in the middle. After that, I added the Sally Hansen Crystal Clear Top Coat, and that's it. It was really simple and easy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Bye!